friends, we are going to play a new game called Trading Places. I have sent the board to your parents for them to print out. This is optional, you don't have to play it, but it's a good way for us to practice multiplying by 2's. So here's how the game works. It's similar to Chinese checkers. I have my pieces on this side, Rosie has her pieces on this side, and we are trying to switch places, trading places, okay? So when we roll the dice, I got a 2, I then multiply that by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and so I can move 4 places. 1, 2, I'm gonna split it up and do it between several of my things. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, Rosie, you go ahead and go. Pepper girl. 8. 4, so 4 times 2 is 8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. 2. 1, 2. And I'm just gonna go ahead. 3, 4. So these are also places here.
2.
So
4.
2 times 2?
1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, wait, can I redo that?
Mm-hmm.
So it's here, right? Yeah. So. No, actually, I'm doing that. So I'm
Okay. 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
About 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Rosie wins. So guys, that's the point of the game. You want to get your pieces to the opposite side before they get their pieces to the other side. Easy peasy. Just multiply by 2. We'll talk to you later.